Yeah, I deal with yoga, heavy yoga in every sense of the word. Kemetic yoga, Smai-Tawi. Deal with holistic health. I'm a health coach, holistic life coach. Deal with wellness. You know, I'm a Kemetic yoga teacher. I teach people how to become teachers as well as teaching people how to become holistic health coaches. When I deal with yoga, you know, I'm mystic with it. It's not about, there's a big difference between like, you know, being a yoga instructor and being a yogi, you know. But not yogi in just conventional meanings of this, but unorthodox with it. That's me, helping people to identify their stresses. Getting into the mind, releasing yourself and ridding yourself of this suffering. Because this suffering that we go through, majority of the time is self-inflicted. But if you could have the tools and apply them successfully, you can free yourself of this as well too. So this is some of the things that I deal with, you know what I mean? So if you're interested on that, contact me. Talking one-to-one, small groups, you know, do talks on public talks as well. So if you're interested in stuff like that, then yeah, let me know. Even if you're global, international, we can still get it going, still have a clientele I deal with there. And you don't need to be right in front of me, you know what I mean, to get the guidance, to get the coaching, to get support on your healing. It's really, it's up to you. You know, I give you the maps, but you gotta go through it at the end of the day. So yeah, you have to be in that particular place, wanting that change. So as far as like what I don't really want to deal with is, yes, I'm a holistic personal trainer as well, but no, I just don't want to deal with, you know, making fitness programs for people to get, whatever, to become more aesthetically pleasing, or what they feel is more aesthetically pleasing. Tighter ass, you know, more defined abs. I don't want to deal with anything like that. But if you want to go through a transformation within self, you know, we could be talking deep all the way into spirit. Yes, I'm here for that. But if you just want some guidance as well on what to eat and what not to eat, you know what I mean, according to you, for yourself, then yeah, I can still help you on that. But let me know, all right? Peace. I'm gonna leave you with allotment views.